Welcome to my channel, Marge Bana-ag Mix Vlog. For today's video guys ay pag-uusapan natin ang national bird of Kuwait. Ito ang tinatawag nila na falcon bird. It's special about falcon. They are the consummate hunters of the avian world, able to spot, chase and kill prey quietly and efficiently. They given their name to one of the most famous Marvel superheroes, and humans have relied on them for millennia as effective hunting partner. Facts about falcon. Falcons are any of the diurnal birds belonging to the family Falconidae, distinguished by rarely tapered wings known for their amazing flying. This bird is fast and agile in flight and typically either chases prey at great speed, like exhausted, or attacks in a spectacular dive. Hook, beak, and sharp vision. Falcons are birds of prey recognized as species of the hawk family with strong talent. Hope you like my video. Please like and share. Thank you for watching.